Hi everybody, my name is Monica and today I am going to show you how to frame a pastel painting using an art spacer. So here we go. I have this beautiful 5x7 floral painting and this white frame that I just got from Amazon. And I think that the white border around this painting really enhances the colors of it. So I'm really looking forward to see how this shapes up. So let's get started. Okay, so now I have unwrapped the frame, and if I look behind, I need to take off this backing. I don't need this picture anymore, and this picture will be replaced with the painting. However, in case of pastel, the trick is that the glass surface should not be touching the pastel surface. Otherwise, the pastel particles will come off, will stuck to the glass, and it affects its longevity as well as the quality of the painting. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna insert an art spacer in between, or it's called frame spacer. And let me show you what it looks like. So here is a sample frame spacer. I am using the thinnest variety and they come in several feet long, but I will be able to easily size it and cut it using a sharp blade. So let's see what it looks like. And you can also see here that it has a peel off backing, and once I peel off this backing, the spacer will be able to stick to the glass. So let me size it and cut it first. So I'm going to use this shears from my gardening tool set. Actually, I don't do much of gardening, however it comes handy for other art and craft purpose here. So I need to attach this spacer on all four sides of the glass. So let me just measure it and cut it to size first before I peel off the backing. Okay, so here I have cut all four sides of it, and notice that the smaller side I cut smaller than the entire length of the frame because they have to fit within the other two spacers that I cut. And note that it is okay to cut the length a little shorter, because it wouldn't affect the painting, as you will see in the final process. However, if it is longer than the edge of the glass, then it is going to come in the way of the frame and it will not really work. So let me peel off the backing and start sticking them up. So let me show you. This is just the backing, and since this is the sticky side, I'm gonna just stick it at the end of the frame. So let me go ahead and do the same for all the four sides. Notice I'm using a transparent type. The art spacers also come in black. So if your frame is black, then that's a very good choice. But I usually just buy clear ones because they go with um, any color frame, matte or painting. So okay, so now you see there is an edge on all four sides of this glass created by the spacer. And so now when I put my painting against this glass, it is not going to really touch the glass because there is a framer spacer in between. So now I can go ahead and put the assembly in. Okay, so now I need to close off this frame. So I have two choices here. Either I can use the original backing itself, and that gives me this nice easel stand as well. However, since I added the art spacer, there is an increased thickness, and also my painting was on a board that has its own thickness. So if I add the backing board itself as well, then the hooks may not close off. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to just let my painting board itself gets used as the backing, and I'm going to just close off this frame. And you will notice that since the frame has a good thickness, it's actually it can be used as a tabletop frame easily. It will stand on its own. However, if I want, I can always add a little hook at the top. But I really want to use this as a tabletop, so I'm not going to do that and just use this frame. So let's take a look at how this looks.